So I came to Tunbridge Wells, also known as Royal Tunbridge Wells, for a little day trip, and it's a very chilly day. It's nice and sunny, but it's cold. It's still negative temperatures. You can see frost everywhere, but I'm gonna explore it. It looks so charming from what I've seen so far. There's Pantiles area, which I am in right now, and look at those beautiful buildings. I'll take you around, and then I'm heading to a little train ride, which will be two different trains. One is diesel train and another one is steam train. So let's go and explore this beautiful town. As much as I would like to explore areas on skates, I cannot do it here. Look at that. So this is where Tunbridge Wells started. So the spring which was found over here in this town. And it's surrounded by Pantiles, which is absolutely adorable. The buildings are so beautiful. It's a small area, but it's absolutely charming. It's very interesting how it started from a little spring, went through different times, and now we're in the modern times with water sold in the vending machine. Another hilly town, so just because of that I wouldn't bother bringing skates. And I just finished with a train ride, which is kind of like one way, 25 minutes, and return the same. It was really nice and interesting. I would love to come back and explore area more on the day when they have more train times and they stop at more stations and spend the day, because it should be a nice area. But now I'm kind of walking on one of the trails to see what I can find before heading back to London. So now I decided to go for a little walk, and I'm actually following Heritage Trail, which is available in Tunbridge Wells, and I will leave it linked in the description below. If you want to check it out, go ahead. I'm not doing the whole of it, just part of it, because it's a lovely day and the town looks absolutely beautiful. So I thought, let's go for a nice walk because it's still early and I have time. So let's go and see how pretty it is and what we can find. I used to take a lot of day trips to little towns for day trips from London, and I used to go like to towns in Surrey and Kent because they're absolutely beautiful like this one, and for some reason I stopped. So I've been thinking where to go on day trips this year in 2025, and I think I made a decision that Surrey and Kent is gonna be the year for me for day trips and traveling. So if this part of England is something that you want to see more, subscribe to my channel and follow along. So that's it for me for today. I'm heading to the station and back to London. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of my adventures, especially this year around Kent and Surrey areas, subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next video. Bye!